Hello everyone, in this video we are to find the derivative of y equal to root x multiplied by 1 plus 2x to the power of 2. So we have that y is equal to root x multiplied by 1 plus 2x to the power of 2. Now if you observe, the right hand side is a product of two functions. So for us to be able to find the derivative, we must have to use the product rule. So we know that for the product rule, dy over dx is equal to u dv over dx plus v du over dx. First, at this point, let root x be u and let 1 plus 2x all to the power of 2 be v. So therefore, u is equal to root x, which is equal to x to the power of 1 divided by 2. So if we differentiate u with respect to x, we have that du over dx is equal to 1 divided by 2 multiplied by x raised to the power of 1 divided by 2 minus 1. So at this point, du over dx is equal to x raised to the power of negative 1 divided by 2 all divided by 2. Now, v is equal to 1 plus 2x all to the power of 2. Now, if you observe, v is a function of a function. So therefore, we have it that let z be equal to 1 plus 2x. Thus, the z divided by the x will be equal to 2. So we have that v is equal to z squared. And at the same time, we have that the v over the z is equal to 2z. Now, to obtain the value of the v over the x, we use the chain rule. So we have that this is the v over the z multiplied by the z over the x. So the v over the z is 2z multiply. Now the z over the x is 2. So therefore, the v over the x is equal to 4, open bracket. This is because 2 times 2 is 4, and our z is 1 plus 2x. So at this point, we have the value of u, we have the value of v, we have the value of the u over the x, and we have the value of the v over the x. Now, we can now substitute this value into the product rule to obtain the derivative of the function. So by product rule, we have that u dv over the x plus v du over the x. So if we put in our values, u is root x. So the v over the x is 4 multiplied by 1 plus 2s. So we have 4, open bracket, 1 plus 2x plus v is giving us 1 plus 2x all squared. If you screw up, the value of v is 1 plus 2x all squared. And also, the u over the s is equal to x to the power of negative 1 divided by 2, all divided by 2. So therefore, the u over the s is x to the power of negative 1 divided by 2, all divided by 2. So if we simplify further, 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 times 2x is 8x. So we have root of x multiplied by 4 plus 8x plus, here we have 1 plus 2x all to the power of 2 divided by 2 multiplied by root x. So at this point, we have been able to obtain the derivative of the function given to us. Thank you so much, and We appreciate you for watching our videos. Please, if you know you found the video helpful, encourage us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. It means a lot to us, and thank you for doing that. I will see you in my next video. Bye.